Good morning. Today's session will be maintained by class 7th boys. A small positive thought can change your life. So I would like to Susan of class 7 to say today's thought of the day.
Good morning all. I am Said, 7th standard. Abdul Kalam taught, be patient. Sometimes you have to go through the worst to get the best. Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's time for news headlines. So I would like to call Preetham of class 7 to say today's news headlines.
I am Pritam of class 7 news headlines. News point 1. Two elephants die accidentally in separate incidents in Kodagu. Point 2. Government to reintroduce yoga in schools in Karnataka. Dinesh Gundurao. Point 3. Safety concerns on critical train routes as Karnataka lacks coverage. Point 4. Sahitya Academy body push for hiring guest teachers in Tulu. Point 5. Bengaluru is Karnataka's online job fraud capital. Thank you.
Thank you. Now there is lot of amazing fact which make us mesmerizing. So I would like to call Pawan of class 7 to tell the amazing fact.
My name is Pawan. I am studying in science standard. Amazing facts. Most people fall asleep in 7 minutes. ತುಂಬಾ ಜನರು 7 ನಿಮಿಷದೊಳಗೆ ನಿದ್ರೆಗೆ ಜಾರುತ್ತಾರೆ. You can't smell anything while asleep. ನೀವು ನಿದ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸುವಾಸನೆಯನ್ನು ಗ್ರಹಿಸಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. Humans are the only animals with teeth. ಗಲ್ಲ ಇರುವ ಏಕೈಕ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಎಂದರೆ ಮಾನವ.
Thank you. Now it's time for funny riddles which make you interesting. So I would like to welcome Manis of class 7 to tell the question.
My name is Manvit. I am studying in science standard. With funny riddles, which letter of the alphabet has the most water?
C.
Yes, correct answer C. What is the word but never speak? Yes, correct answer a book. What is the largest ant in the world? Yes, correct answer elephant. Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's time for tongue twister which helps to improve pronunciation. So I would like to call British of class 7 to tell the tongue twister.
Studying 7th standard. Tongue twister. Kitty got the kitten, the kitchen. 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 Kitty got the kitten, the kitchen.
Thank you. Now I would like to Kirtan of class 7 to ask to tell you some opposite words.
My name is Ketan. 7th standard. Opposite word. Big, small. Come, go. Day, night. Front, back.
Thank you. Now we are ready to the last topic of the day. So I would like to call Rohit of class 7 to tell a few sentences of the rainy day.
Studying in 7th standard. Rainy days. Rainy days are my favorite. I love the sound of rainy drops. Everything feels comes rainy day. The air smell and fresh and nature looks vibrant. The rainy day brings a peaceful joy that makes me smile. Thank you.
Thank you. Next session will be 9